are at the end of 2019 Global Rally in Stockholm. It's been an amazing week. We've had so much fun with all the people here in Scandinavia. Even though it's been cold, we stayed really warm within forever. We had an amazing show today. My goodness, we made history in forever. We gave away the largest chairman's bonus check ever, $1.5 million to Rolf and Dominique Kipp. Congratulations to them. We also announced that next year we're going to Sydney, Australia. Never had a global rally there before. How exciting is that? I mean, if you want to work for a cool destination, next year's rally is going to be unbelievable. This is just an unbelievable business. You can make history for yourself. Just set your goals, believe in yourself, do the simple things. Don't worry about complicating things. If you just use the products, you share the products, you get other people involved, you want to help them, you know for sure that you're never, ever, ever going to quit. You too can be at a global rally, getting a big chairman's bonus check and living the life you've ever wanted and making your own history. Be forever, love forever. Come to Sydney 2020. See you there.